guys, welcome back to Chandam. Today we are talking about someone very special, someone who lives in every music lover's heart. He was born in November 1925 in undivided Bengal, and that makes Salil Chaudhary 100 years young. His early exposure to diverse musical traditions, ranging from Western classical to Bengali and Assamese folk, shaped his unique soundscape. His father's collection of Western classical records introduced him to maestros like Mozart and Beethoven, while the surroundings where he grew immersed him in the rhythms of Indian folk music. Lovingly known as Salilda, his compositions reflect a seamless blend of East and West. He believed in crafting tunes first and then fitting lyrics to them, a reversal of the conventional process. He composed for several films like Madhumati, Parak, Komal Gandhar, Kabuliwala, Chhaya, Anand, Rajnigandha, Choti Si Baat, Mere Apne, Trishagni, and the list is endless. Besides film songs, he also wrote and composed another genre of immensely popular music called protest songs and Gana Sangeet, or songs for the masses. He walked beside the peasants through Bengal's famine-scarred villages, where since 1943 the land echoed with the silent cries of unimaginable sorrow. He wrote of their lives and struggles. But before we go further, let's hear some of his very popular songs. songs about the runner, the palki bearer, the rickshaw puller, in short, the common man. His orchestration was marked by minimal instrumentation, allowing the purity of vocals and the lyrics to shine. And he skillfully used silent spaces and pauses as a musical pattern that complemented the narrative of the scenes. Kahi Dur Jab Din Dhal Jaye. It's a poignant track from the film Anand and encapsulates the melancholy of life's twilight moments, leaving an indelible mark on the listeners. Salil Chaudhary's music continues to inspire generations. His innovative approach and timeless compositions have left an indelible legacy in the world of music. As we celebrate his contributions and his centenary birthday, his melodies remain etched in our hearts, echoing the genius of a true maestro. Salil Das' music is not just an auditory experience, it is an emotional journey. Through his songs, he spoke of love, longing, joy, sorrow, touching the very soul of humanity. His genius lies not just in the notes that he composed, but in the emotions that he evoked. If you liked this special episode, do like, share, and tell us which of Salil Das' composition is your favorite. Catch us in the next episode of Chandam. Bye till then.